Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable Windows Copilot in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To enable or disable Windows Copilot in Windows 11, you can use the Group Policy Editor or the Registry Editor depending on your edition. Here's a structured breakdown. Method 1. Group Policy Editor, Pro, Enterprise, Education. This method fully disables or re-enables Copilot. Press Windows key +R, type gpedit.msc, press Enter. Navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Copilot. Double-click Turn off Windows Copilot. Choose Enabled to disable Copilot. Disabled or not configured to enable it. Click Apply and OK. Method 2. Registry Editor, all editions. Use this if Group Policy Editor is unavailable. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run one of the following commands. Disable Copilot. Enable Copilot. Restart your system to apply changes. Uninstall Copilot. If Copilot is installed as a standalone app, go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Copilot, click Uninstall, confirm removal. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.